The brown henna hair dye comes with packets of pure henna and pure indigo. Each shade of brown is simply a different ratio between these two ingredients. You will prepare these separately and then mix the paste together to create brown henna hair dye. To start, you will need 2 non-metal mixing bowls, a non-metal mixing spoon, measuring cups and spoons, and plastic wrap. First, you will need to prepare the packet labeled henna. To mix the henna, you will need the henna packet, at least 2 cups of strongly brewed lukewarm black tea, up to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Optionally, you can also have 1 to 3 teaspoons of euro oil. You can also have 1 to 3 teaspoons of powdered clove, ginger, or cinnamon to lessen the smell of henna. First, pour the henna packet into your bowl. Add in your powdered fragrant spices. We used powdered ginger in this recipe. Next, add in all your apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. We used about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar here. The more you use, the higher the acidity of the recipe, and the henna will have a deeper, richer color and hold to your hair better. Next, slowly add in your black tea. Only add enough tea to get consistency of thick yogurt. You may not have to use all 2 cups. While mixing, add in your desired amount of euro oil. Here, we only added a few drops, but you can add up to 3 teaspoons. When your henna is fully mixed, cover it in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours. This will release the henna's dye from the plant material. After dye release, and when you are ready to apply the henna to your hair, you can prepare the indigo. You will need at least 2 cups of lukewarm filtered water, and optionally, to deepen the dark tones, you can add a teaspoon of sea salt dissolved into the warm water. First, pour the indigo packet into your clean bowl. Then, slowly add the warm water into the indigo until it has a thick yogurt consistency. You may not need all 2 cups to achieve this. The final step is to combine the henna paste and the indigo paste together. Use a splash of warm water if needed. Your brown henna is now ready to apply to your hair. Please see our henna application videos for further instructions.